Stop scrolling for a second. Do you know that 90% of people in this 2026 are still broke just simply because they make money mistakes? Today, I will be revealing the truth nobody is telling you about how to actually grow your money without working yourself to death. By the end of this video, you will know exactly how to take control of your finances starting from today. Welcome back to Chioma, the place where we turn money struggles into financial freedom. If you are new here, hit the subscribe button and turn on your notification bell because every week we're going to be breaking down money habits that actually work. Nobody really prepares you for this part of life that I'm going to tell you. This is why so many hardworking people are still stuck. If this sounds like you, then this video is for you. Most adults are not broke, but they are just trapped in a system they don't understand. If you've been working hard, but nothing is changing, then listen very well to what I'm about to say. Let's be honest to ourselves. Nobody prepared us for how expensive adulthood will be. School has taught us how to pass our exams, but nobody taught us how money really works. So we grow up thinking the problem is laziness, when in reality, the problem is how we were trained to think. The truth here is that most people are stuck because all their money goes to survival, not growth. The parents, food, transport, families, and emergency. And when you're always in survival mode, you can't even think long term. That's not failure, but that is a trap. Do you know, I used to think something was wrong with me. And I was so busy trying. I was showing up, but nothing was moving. Then the moment I realized it wasn't just me, it was the system. That was when everything changed in my life. I'm here to tell you that the goal is not to work harder, but the goal is to learn how money moves and then position yourself differently. That is what this channel is all about. Real conversation, no pretending. If they sound like what you're really interested, stay here and ride with me. We're going to talk about money, life, and the things nobody says out loud. Welcome back to my channel. Stop scrolling for a second. Do you know that 90% of people in this 2026 are still broke just simply because they make money mistakes? Today, I will be revealing the truth nobody is telling you about how to actually grow your money without working yourself to death. By the end of this video, you will know exactly how to take control of your finances starting from today. Welcome back to Chioma, the place where we turn money struggles into financial freedom. If you are new here, hit the subscribe button and turn on your notification bell because every week, we're going to be breaking down money habits that actually work. Today's video is full guide to stop being broke in year 2026. And yes, we're going step by step so you can start immediately. Why are people broke, if you may ask? Most people stay broke because of hidden money traps they don't even see. For example, lifestyle inflation. That is spending more when your income increases. 2, ignoring small win like saving consistency. 3, high interest cards. Now that you know the traps, let's talk about how you can escape them. Let me give you 5-step plan to stop being broke. Step number 1, track every penny that you have. If you earn 500 a month, knowing exactly where 10 of your money went to is very crucial. Step 2, build a tiny emergency fund, like 100 to 500 to start. Have your piggy bank and make sure you always drop it there. Step number 3, every money leak must be closed, like impulse buying, daily buying, auctionable things that you don't really need. Make sure you put an end to those buying. Start a site also. That is the 4th one. Online side gigs, AI tools, online surveys, and so many more, which are beginner friendly, can help you. Step number 5, automate your savings. use different app to start saving. And when it's been automated, at the end of the month, the money will go out without you even knowing. Now, very important, I'm going to talk about your mindset. Talking about mental habits that reinforce your wealth, like delayed gratification, avoiding impulse spending. You need to see your money as a tool, not a reward. Now, let's hop into quick habits and hack to grow your money in seconds. Number 1 is cashback and reward apps. 2, reselling your used item. Low risk investment, negotiating bills and even subscription, including those subscriptions that you think cannot afford. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button and share this video. Your first step today. Pick one habit from this video and start now. And check the link in the description for tools I personally use to grow my money. Thank you for watching.